Gas station. I'm going to the gas station. What? What you say? So, yeah, my sugar workers, today I'm going to be eating gas station food. The good gas station food. See? Regular old store. Just wanted to show you. See? If you're in Baltimore, Maryland, they have really good soul food. And they have their own menu.
What's up with your friends?
See? I'll be back.
Yes, this is Shelly. We at Glow Soul Kitchen and we get ready to do taste testing. We are located at 5656 the Alameda inside the Exxon, 7 days a week, 12 to 8, Monday through Saturday, Sundays 12 to 6.
All
How
right.
you doing?
Yeah, you got that, Suga Wugas? All right. Suga Wugas, I'm back at y'all with another video, and guess what? Here I am in the car. I have my other little cousin with me, Anayan. Say hi.
Hi.
Let me sorry for my hand, y'all. Okay, so let me pray, and then I'll tell you what I'm doing. Okay, Suga Wugas? Amen. Today, my Suga Wugas, I'm sitting here. We're waiting for my other little cousins to get out of school. And in the meantime, I didn't eat. So I decided that I'm going to take this time and eat. And guess what? I went and got me some gas station food. Yes, gas station food. Okay? He might taste a little bit of my food, but I don't know. He just had lunch not too long ago, so he might not be hungry. Where's your candy? But he do have some candy, right? How was school today, Anayan?
Good.
Tell the Suga Wugas it was good.
It was good, Sugar Wugas.
It was good, Suga Wugas. So, from the gas station, my Suga Wugas, I got, and it's actually Exxon gas station. Exxon gas station with a soul food spot in it. Yes. I got some good old mac and cheese. Look, I'm sorry for the lighting, y'all. Sorry for the lighting. Let me move over here so you can see me like this. So y'all can see me. Wait a minute, I'll be right back. 1 second. Yeah, I had to fix y'all up real quick. Alright. I got as you seen the mac and cheese. Let me show you one more time. The mac and cheese. Y'all see that? And I got me a little roll right here. But and also, I tried them before, you guys. And I said, I could not believe that this food was that good. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. So I said, you know what? I'm going to come back here to this gas station. I'm going to get some food. And I'm going to show my Suga Wugas. So look what I have. I have smothered pork chops. And I have string beans. And I have cabbage. Y'all see that goodness right there? And it is goodness. Okay. You want to taste it? Because it's soul food. I bet you if it was McDonald's, you'll eat it. Y'all can take the first bite of cabbage. What? It's good. It is good. I'm gonna show y'all that information I'm gonna put at the beginning of this video. Look at that string beans. Y'all go ahead and take it. What? He keep laughing at me. You see him laughing at me? You got anything you want to say to the Suga Wugas, Anayan?
No.
No. Alright, I'm about to try this mac and cheese for y'all. Go ahead, take some. Take some. Y'all, this is not from a canned box or whatever. This is baked macaroni here. Put some soul into it.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm. Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna do this smothered pork chop, but I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna eat it just that.
Put my tail into it.
Oh my god. Well,
Ricky, watch.
this is good.
What?
Okay. Yeah. Mac and cheese right here. What? And now you sure you don't want to taste it?
No.
Tell Suga Wugas what grade you in. What grade you in? Ooh, dripping on me, y'all. It's dripping. What grade you in? Huh? What grade you in? I'm talking to you, Anayan. Yeah, you. Anayan, tell Suga Wugas what grade you in.
I am pre-K Suga Wugas.
He is pre-K Suga Wugas. Y'all better go get some soul food, smothered pork chops, and some cabbage with some soul in it. Don't be laughing at me, y'all. If y'all seen my last video with Jaleel in it, this is his brother. Boom! Pepsi! Wipe that off, y'all. Wipe that off. Watch them. Woo! Y'all know y'all need a Pepsi with a soul food. Excuse me. Make myself laugh too. I know Anayan. They be tripping off of me. I be tripping off myself. Oh. I think I'm gonna give y'all this video tonight. It's tender. Comment below if you are.
Really crazy body butts.
Oh.
A whole bus is your butts. These butts like close. These butts too. Squeeze up a little bit more. Pick mine stuff.
Woo! Let me slow down. I'm gonna slow down. I'm hungry.
Hello.
You should taste it. You should taste some of this. Taste some of this good food, Anayan.
No.
Here, take a bite. Gravy. Anayan. Are you eating your gummy bears? Oh, dang. I'm gonna take one. Here, open this for me.
Open that?
Yeah, see if you can open it for me.
What is this?
It's some, a roll. It's
A roll?
Yeah, a dinner roll.
Okay, I'm gonna take a piece out of it.
Dinner
and
roll.
then taste it. I'm gonna taste this.
You gonna taste it?
And I'm gonna do a tiny piece.
Okay, go ahead.
Taste it. This is good.
You like it?
Yes, it's good.
Here, let me show the Sugar Wugas what it look like. He said it was good. It's like that. He's gonna open it for me. Go ahead, keep on opening it. Is it hard? Let me see. I'm gonna help him out. Go ahead. It's sweet. Mmm. I'm gonna take a piece here. Go ahead. Don't take it. See? He done spilled it. Don't rub it off on the... Go ahead, eat it. It's on you. He said it was sweet. Let me check it out. Mmm. Cornbread. That's how I like my cornbread. I like my cornbread. A little sweetness to it. Mmm. Mmm. I got 2 pork chops.
It's good.
Tastes like cake, don't it? That's why he like it, because it tastes like cake.
It tastes like cake.
Everything good. My mac and cheese, y'all. You want some mac and cheese?
Yep.
You don't like regular food, huh? Yeah, go ahead. That's for y'all. Alright.
Tina, do you know you're doing it to a timer?
I'm going what?
You know you're doing it to a timer?
In the camera, yeah.
You know you're doing the food to the camera?
Yeah. Actually, he said, you know you giving the food to the camera? Hey! Yeah! I'm getting into the Sugar Wugas. That is funny though. He said, do you know you're giving the food to the camera?
I'm gonna say this before.
Bill.
Is this in the
Oh, Bill.
Is this in the Is this in
I gotta take another swig.
Is this in the
Take another swig. Okay. What's that?
I'm a wolf.
He's a wolf. Sugar Wugas, what? You making too much noise, boy. You ain't no wolf. You ain't no wolf. Alright.
I'm a wolf.
Okay. I'm telling you the truth. Excuse me, you can't help it. Excuse me, y'all, you can't help it. When you have good food and then you have a Pepsi with it, come on now, y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about all the time.
Wait, Tina. Do you remember Carl had a blue top? And I had a green one?
Yeah.
Is the blue one for...
Look what you did. Look at all that. If y'all can see all these crumbs. Look. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to get that. Don't do that. I'll get it.
Thanks.
I mean, it's a lot too. Right sitting there. Right there in the seat.
Tina, I thought the blue one was Finn. I thought the blue one was Finn, the baby. The blue, The blue one is Finn, the baby?
It was a leak. It was a leak. It don't leak.
It'll leak?
Yup. You can toss it and everything. Flip it up and down. It don't leak. That's the best cups for kids.
And
Best cups. I'm getting full, y'all. I
and
ain't gonna sit here and act like I'm not, but I am.
The green one was for somebody else. Okay.
Woo!
You will see who I am going to turn on. to me. Yeah.
That's what she. I'm about to say. That's what soul food will make do. Make
I just want to see.
Man.
Hey, I'm
Why I do this?
a dinosaur, but I could look
I
everywhere.
go sneak back to this.
I just close my eye too.
Tore it up a little something. The sides are good. But you sure? You don't want none?
Nope.
Don't sit back, cause I'm going to get that. Sorry, y'all. All in y'all face. I'm always in y'all face, right? Hold my food. All right, dog. I done smashed enough. Y'all know, y'all. Woo, that was good. I'm gonna put this down
My tail.
for a second.
My tail.
You know I'm gonna drink me some more.
My tail
Pepsi.
is like this.
Sugar Wugas.
Your tail is green. What? No, look.
I'm gonna do my
Now
notifications on my next
red.
video. Because I'm in the car. I like to really do that when I'm at
This.
home.
I'm
But if I
great.
remember sometimes that I am in the car, I will do my notifications. Okay? My notification gang.
Mhm.
Alright. But look, don't forget, when I reach 250 subscribers,
Come on.
I'm gonna start pulling names from my comments.
Up
Whoever commented and subscribed and all that.
Up the dinosaur.
I'm gonna start pulling names to enter you into my giveaway.
This is the dinosaur.
I don't know what I'm
Right
gonna use
there.
yet to put your names in.
That's when I'm looking.
But every time I choose a name and when I do a video, I'm gonna shout your name out. You know, just shout you out. Put your info. If you're a YouTuber or whatever, I'll put your information in the description box and all of that. Shout you out. Pull your name. Put your name in my little the enter for the giveaway. And then when I hit the 500 mark, 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pull 3 names from what I accumulated from 250 to 500. Okay? And then that's how one of you, my Sugar Wugas, will win my giveaway. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I'm gonna make it good. Make it nice. Y'all understand, my Sugar Wugas? Let me take a swig before I let y'all go.
Look, big. Look, we have that.
With eyes closed and everything. Oh.
Whoa, that thing is so much.
Okay, my Sugar Wugas, I'm gonna let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe. I didn't say that in the beginning like I normally do. But I'll say it to you now. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Okay? If you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. Okay? I had to get that out the way because I didn't do it in the beginning. But okay, here's your big hug. Wait a minute, 1 second. Anayan, you gotta say bye to the Sugar Wugas.
Bye.
Come over so they can see you.
Bye.
Alright, I'll see y'all on my next video.